Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best CPUs for 1440p gaming that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the iBuyPower Y40 Pro Black Gaming PC Desktop Computer. This is an all-in-one gaming powerhouse featuring the AMD Ryzen 9 7900X CPU and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti GPU. With 32GB DDR5 RGB RAM clocked at an impressive 5200 MHz and a massive 2TB NVMe SSD, this rig is designed to handle demanding 1440p gaming and multitasking with ease. The inclusion of Windows 11 Home makes it ready for the latest gaming titles and productivity tasks right out of the box. The design is sleek and modern, with a tempered glass RGB gaming case that adds a professional aesthetic to any setup. The RGB lighting is customizable, delivering a vibrant and immersive gaming environment. Despite its hefty 36-pound weight, the build quality is solid and durable, ensuring longevity. Connectivity options are highly versatile with multiple USB ports, onboard audio, and Wi-Fi support. Performance-wise, this setup delivers smooth gameplay at ultra settings for 1440p resolution. The Ryzen 9 7900X excels in multi-threaded workloads, making it suitable for gaming, streaming, and editing. However, the high price tag of $2,069.99 makes it less accessible for budget-conscious gamers. If you're looking for a premium gaming solution, this PC is ideal, but its cost may not justify its value for casual users. Pros include exceptional performance and future-proof specs, while cons include its steep price and bulky size. Coming in at number 3, we have the ASUS TUF Gaming Monitor VG27AQML1A. This monitor is built for gamers who demand top-tier performance, featuring a jaw-dropping 260Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time. Its QHD resolution of 2560 by 1440 ensures crystal clear visuals, while technologies like Extreme Low Motion Blur Sync and FreeSync Premium make screen tearing and ghosting a thing of the past. HDR support with Display HDR 400 compliance enhances dynamic range, delivering richer colors and deeper blacks. The design is robust with a matte finish that minimizes glare and a sturdy ergonomic stand that offers height adjustment, tilt, pivot, and swivel capabilities. ASUS has also included thoughtful extras like variable overdrive and G-Sync compatibility, making this monitor perfect for high frame rate gaming. The monitor weighs 14 pounds and includes a suite of accessories such as HDMI and DisplayPort cables, making setup seamless. Priced at $365, this monitor is ideal for gamers who want a competitive edge without compromising on visual quality. The higher price point reflects its premium features, but it may not appeal to those looking for a budget-friendly option. Pros include exceptional refresh rates and motion clarity, while cons include its relatively high cost and somewhat bulky design. At number 2, we have the Acer Nitro KG271U IPS gaming monitor. This 27-inch display features a WQHD resolution of 2560 by 1440, ensuring sharp and vibrant visuals for gaming and media consumption. AMD FreeSync technology eliminates screen tearing and stuttering, delivering a smooth gaming experience even during graphically intense scenes. With a refresh rate of up to 180 Hz via DisplayPort and a 0.5 millisecond response time, this monitor is tailor-made for competitive gaming. The design is clean and modern, featuring a zero-frame build that maximizes screen real estate. The monitor supports HDR10, enhancing contrast and bringing out vivid colors for an immersive experience. Its ergonomic tilt options ensure comfort during extended gaming sessions. Although it lacks height adjustment, its VSA mounting compliance allows for flexible installation options. Priced at $179.99. This monitor offers tremendous value for the money, making it a great choice for gamers on a budget. It's well-suited for casual and competitive players alike. However, the lack of built-in speakers and USB ports might deter some users. Pros include its affordability, high refresh rate, and vibrant HDR support. Cons include limited ergonomic adjustments and no additional connectivity features. And finally, at number 1, we have the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D desktop processor, the world's fastest gaming processor built on AMD's cutting-edge Zen 5 architecture. With 8 cores, 16 threads, and an IPC uplift of approximately 16%, this processor delivers exceptional performance for both gaming and productivity. The 96MB L3 cache, combined with improved thermal efficiency, ensures higher clock speeds of up to 5.2 GHz, making it the perfect choice for high-performance 1440p gaming. The design is compact and robust, featuring AMD's drop-in-ready socket AM5 infrastructure for easy installation. However, it's important to note that a cooler is not included, which might require an additional purchase for optimal performance. This processor excels in fast-paced gaming scenarios, offering unparalleled frame rates and smooth gameplay, even in CPU-intensive titles. Priced at $449.99, the Ryzen 7 9800X3D is a premium option for gamers and enthusiasts who demand the best. While the price is high, the performance it offers makes it a worthy investment for serious gamers. Pros include its cutting-edge technology, high clock speeds, and power efficiency. Cons include the lack of an included cooler and its higher price point compared to other CPUs in the market. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.